Welcome to our riddle poetry writing activity. Today you're going to learn what a riddle poem is and how to write one. A riddle is a type of poem that is written with clues. It's a bit like the game of I Spy. Let's play a game and see if you can guess what my riddle is about. I am as green as the long swaying grass in the meadow. I wear armour on my back, as hard as rock. My skin has a spotted pattern, like a beautiful Dalmatian. I paddle, I glide, I swim, I dive. My ancestors are calm and peaceful dinosaurs. I'm a gentle giant of the oceans, old and wise. What am I? Did you work out the riddle and spot the answer? Don't worry if you're not sure, as I will help you solve the riddle. I'll reveal part of the picture. Your teacher will ask you to guess. How quickly can you get the answer? Well done if you guessed correctly. Now it's time to learn how to write a riddle poem. Write a riddle by following our rules, which are top writing tips just for you. Pick what you're going to write about. Choose a concrete object like an animal, food, a place, or a person. Think about what they do, see, hear, and feel. Use clues to describe your riddle answer. For example, if you were describing a cat, you could say, I'm a milk drinker, or I love long naps in the sun. Think of fun, creative ways to describe what you are writing about. For example, I'm as hot as the sun could be made more descriptive by saying, I'm as hot as the scalding, boiling sun. Use present tense when writing your riddle. For example, I am pink and fluffy, or we are as tall as a skyscraper. When writing your riddle, try to trick the reader with your descriptions. For example, the clue I reflect like a mirror could be talking about a window, a puddle, a piece of foil, or metal. Don't name your riddle My Bunny and then write a riddle about it. Use a clever title that is also a clue. Instead of My Bunny, you could call your riddle The High Hopper. End your riddle with a question. What am I? Or who am I? Before giving the answer. Now you know what a riddle is and how to write one. Why not try to make up a class poem? Here's an idea for you to write about. Now you've written a riddle poem as a class, you are ready to write your own riddle. Your teacher will hand you a planning sheet, which will help you plan your riddle by answering the questions. You then write your riddle on the entry form on the back page. Happy writing, little riddlers!